Shmuel Abba from Slavita said a word on this Rashi, that what is it that Korach misunderstood when he saw this long chain of tzaddikim coming out of him. He said that we know that there's a rule, the Gemara says, that you only appoint a leader of Klal Yisrael if he has a kupa shel shrotzim behind him, if he has a skeleton in his closet. That way he won't become a Balgaiva. Korach challenged Moshe and Aaron's right to be the leaders because they came from a relationship that the Torah would later, after Matan Torah, forbid. Moshe's father was a nephew to Moshe's mother. A person's not allowed to marry their aunt. But Korach knew that maybe potentially the answer is that that's the reason they're fit to be leaders, is because they have a skeleton in their closet. They come from this relationship. But Korach looked into the future and he saw all the tzaddikim that were coming out of him that have no skeleton in their closet. They come from a pristine line of tzaddikim, and he said, obviously it's not true. You don't need to have a skeleton in your closet, and therefore Moshe and Aaron are not fit. But what he didn't realize is that he would be the skeleton in their closet. The fact that they come from Korach. And it's such a lesson. So often we look around and we blame everybody for being the problem. And we never see clearly to turn around and understand that sometimes it's us. We are the problem. And a person needs to be intellectually honest to take himself into the equation when scrutinizing a situation to see what's wrong.